club on the vodka guy, tryna get little mama in the car. I heard a gun pop like pop, pop, pop. Someone hit us with a chopper like da, da, da. An average night for a couple of no good. Up in college, but yeah, we still like to so hood. Never making it to church, man, we drink it till it hurts. If we can do it tomorrow, yeah, we sure would. When you're sitting in your room and you're feeling like a fool cause you got a couple STDs. Singing partners on the news cause they thought that he was cool. Now they about to put him 6 feet deep. When I'm really at my lowest and I'm feeling kinda hopeless, everybody gotta hate on me. Shame on me, cause the blame's on me. But hallelujah, the Lord showed his grace on me.
He saved me, was on my way to hell with a full tank. I don't care but them boys think, cause what I'm on is a sure thing.
Stacking their money up like it's Legos. Yes, I'm repairing all of the pesos. They never be satisfied, man, I try this aloud. The only hope you got is turning the head so. Yeah, I'm not here to impress, I'm here to impact. I won't settle for less. Got my cross on my back. I was out my mind, my head was screwed up. Jesus saved me, hallelujah. Turn up my level, still on rebel screaming, hallelujah. Me and my partners on your block, we hollering, hallelujah. Was out my mind, my head was screwed up, but Jesus saved me. Follow me, I'm a phenomenon. Not because what I do, but all the music I'm on. Smoking with shooters and getting caught up in too much. I find the Lord is the truest, and now I follow the sun. The enemy of the king.